Hey guys, it's Danielle, and guess what I'm doing? Can you guess? Can you guess? Another unboxing. Really, it's an unbagging because it's in a bag, but I'm going to do another unboxing with you guys, of course. And can you guess what it is? Can you guess? It's a bag. It's two bags. So if you guys saw my dupe of the Hermes unboxing, then you know that I talked about it being my birthday and me spoiling myself and all of that stuff. So this is in continuation of that. These bags I ordered a while ago, but they took longer to get to me, so that's why I'm just now getting them and unboxing them with you guys. So that's what we're here doing. But first, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Danielle and I am the non-traditional mommy. My birthday just passed. I usually don't do this many unboxings, but I have been sharing with my family and sharing with them things that I have ordered for myself for my birthday. So anyway, I would love for you guys to join my little family and hit the subscribe button. For the rest of my family members, you guys already know that you're the MVPs. I love you and thank you for hanging in there with me. All right guys, so I'm gonna open this up, and if you guys would like to see like a birthday haul, like what all I got for my birthday, I don't know if you guys would want to see that, but if that's something you want to see, then let me know and I'll do a video just showing you everything that I got for my birthday as well. Or maybe I'll just do one even if you don't want to see it, because that's what I do. No, but seriously, if that's something you guys will be interested in, let me know and maybe I'll put one together just of what I got for my birthday. But here we go. Here it is. This is from I Love Jewelry Company. This is it, and there should be two bags in here, you guys. So I have been eyeing the Chanel tote bag, and it has taken everything in my power not to actually buy the Chanel tote bag. Like, even though I haven't had it, I love it. I love it. I feel like I'm going to love it and I really wanted it. But in the name of don't spend all that money until you know for sure that you're gonna love it, I found this little dupe for the Chanel tote bags. And I think, to be honest, that I might love this more than the Chanel bag. And I'll show you guys why once I get it opened up. So let's open it up. I hope I love it when I see it. I've been waiting so long. All right, so I'm gonna open up the first one. It's so cute. So here's why it took so long. The monogram. So they had to put the monogram on it, which is why it took so long. At first impression, I'm not really crazy about that monogram. Not really crazy about it. Can you guys tell what it is? What letters it is? Anyway, it's my initials, TLC. So this is why I felt like I was gonna love this more than the Chanel tote, and I'll insert a picture of the Chanel tote so you guys can see what it looks like. But I felt like, you know, you pay all this money to wear like somebody else's name. Maybe I'll order my own name, my own brand, you know, rock myself, because I love my initials. Who else initials are TLC? I'm sure somebody's, but whatever. So I figured, you know what? I'm gonna rock my own stuff. And I really just like the look of the Chanel tote, not so much the name. So here it is, y'all, and it's in pink, and I wanted pink. I love this bag in pink. I'm gonna take the plastic off. Okay, so there it is. So it has the chains, which is one of the things that I like about the Chanel tote, and then it's interwoven there. Can you guys see that? And then it has on the inside, it's just open with one zipper pocket here, and then it has the little closure, snap closure like that, so you can close the bag, which I love that you can close it. I'm all about keeping my bags closed. I also like that the way these chains are on, can you guys see, you can literally, you can take them off like that if you didn't want to have the chains on there. But I personally like the chain look, so I don't see myself taking them off. I hate that it's smashed because I wanted it to have like the structure. So I'm gonna have to stuff it to try to hopefully get its structure back. And I probably will buy like a bag organizer to keep it structured, because I kind of really like the whole structured look of this particular tote. But there it is, you guys. So that's number one. Number two. Ooh, I like that one so much better. Oh my gosh. I'm still not like really crazy about the font they use for their monogram, but the gold. Look at that. So cute. So what happened? What had happened was, y'all, I was ordering this one. And if you don't use WikiBuy, I will put a link for WikiBuy. I saw I had a coupon, and I was like, oh, I get 20% off. And so then I started looking to see what else they had, and just to make sure that I really wanted this one, because I was like, well, you know, let me see what other kind of bags they have. And I stumbled across this one, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want that one too. It is so cute. So I thought, why not get both? Why not? So this one is black, and it has the black chain in there, the gold with the black chain, and it is just so cute. And again, it has on the inside, it has a one zipper pocket, and then the button closure, and it's not magnetic, it's the actual button. So which I like so. So there it is. That's number two. Y'all, I really like it. It's so cute. So cute. So here they go. Here are my two Chanel Dupe totes with my own initials, rocking my own name, you know, rock my own name. And yeah, I love them. So of course, both of these I will use as diaper bags, mommy bags, work totes, those kind of things. So I will probably show you guys how I pack these up. I have so many different diaper bag and bag videos coming for you guys. So I will add these to the list of how I carry them and what's in my bag and all of that good stuff. Anyway, If you guys have any questions or want to see these bags in more details, let me know and I will do a video on them. But yeah, there they go. That's it. So if you made it this far and you want to join my little family, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you guys. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.